Bilberry, also known as European blueberry, is a deciduous shrub that is native to northern and central Europe. It produces delicious and nutritious berries that are used for a variety of culinary and medicinal purposes. If you're interested in growing and caring for bilberry in your garden, growing conditions. Bilberry thrives in acidic soil with a pH between 4.0 and 5.0. It prefers well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. The plant also needs a lot of moisture, so it's important to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Bilberry does best in partial shade or full sun with protection from afternoon sun in hot regions. Planting. Bilberry can be grown from seed or propagated from cuttings. If you are growing from seed, start them indoors in the early spring and then transplant them outdoors after the last frost. When planting bilberry, make sure to dig a hole that is twice as wide and deep as the plant's root ball. Add some compost or peat moss to the soil and mix well. Place the plant in the hole and backfill with soil, tamping it down gently. Water thoroughly after planting. Maintenance. Bilberry doesn't require a lot of maintenance once it's established. However, it's important to keep the soil moist, especially during dry periods. Mulching around the plant can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Bilberry doesn't require a lot of fertilizer, but you can give it a boost in the early spring with some slow-release fertilizer or compost. Regular pruning is also important to promote healthy growth and fruit production. Prune annually to remove old, damaged, or diseased wood. Pests and diseases. Bilberry is relatively pest and disease resistant, but it can be susceptible to fungal diseases such as powdery mildew or leaf spot. To prevent these issues, make sure to keep the soil well drained, avoid overwatering, and space the plants out properly for good air circulation. You can also apply a fungicide if needed. Bilberry can also attract birds, so consider using netting to protect the fruit. Harvesting. Bilberry typically produces fruit in midsummer. The fruit should be harvested when it is fully ripe and easily comes off the stem. Bilberry fruit is delicate and bruises easily, so handle it with care. The berries can be eaten fresh, cooked, or dried for later use. They are a great source of antioxidants and are used in a variety of culinary dishes. With the right growing conditions, planting, maintenance, and harvesting, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of bilberries every year.